How to fix this TV isn't part of your Netflix household. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. If you have recently been hit with the "this TV isn't part of your Netflix household" error, you are not alone. Netflix has been cracking down on password sharing, and today I'm here to help you fix this problem once for all. So let's dive right in. The quickest temporary fix involves using the "I'm traveling" option. When you see the error message, simply choose this option on your Netflix TV app. Netflix will then send a verification code to the email or phone number linked to your account. Enter this code on your TV and Netflix will work normally, but keep in mind this is only a temporary fix lasting a few weeks. For a more permanent solution, you will need to verify your Netflix household. Start by connecting your TV to your home internet. Then open the Netflix app. Go to Get Help section and click on Manage Netflix Household. From there, you can either confirm your household or update your Netflix household settings. This will integrate your TV into your Netflix household permanently. If you frequently use your mobile for Netflix, a great workaround is to cast directly from your phone to your TV. You can use Chromecast or AirPlay if your TV supports it. This method lets you enjoy Netflix on your TV without directly logging into your Netflix account on it. Lastly, if you often need to access Netflix from multiple locations or devices outside your main household, consider adding an extra membership. For an additional $8, you can officially add another device to your account. That's all for today. I hope one of these methods work for you and you can get back to enjoying your favorite shows and movies without any interruptions. This is how you can fix "this TV isn't part of your Netflix household" error. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more helpful guide like this. Take it easy and I'll see you in the next one.